you started with 1K and you made 5 grand in one trade.
I pump in 1,000, and then in one single trade, I made 5 grand, and then my account right now is about $6,000. Made half of my monthly salary in one trade.
This is something special. This is something extraordinary. So, I understand that you have definitely faced like some bumps in the past. So, throughout all those times, right, have you ever felt like quitting trading or giving up in general? Let's just say there is a complete beginner watching you right now. What would you say to them? Can you introduce yourself, right? Be it your name, how long have you been trading, what's your recent withdrawal or what's your recent profit made, right? So that all of our audiences, all of our viewers over here can better understand you, can better know you.
My name is Aslam. I've been following Callisto about almost 3 months, past to 6 months. My weekly withdrawals usually will be like thousands. I like to sometimes burn off my account, but then I'll come in back. But slowly, I kept my discipline. The members over there is always engaged with stuff. So my recent trade was I pumped in about 1,000, and then it just like in the week I made about 5 grand.
5 grand?
Yeah, 5 grand. Yeah.
Wow. In a week?
Yeah. I mean, in a trade particularly.
In a trade, that's even more insane. Aslam, what capital size do you start off with?
1,000.
Okay, you started off with 1K and you made 5 grand in one trade.
I pump in 1,000, and then in one single trade, I made 5 grand, and then my account right now is about $6,000.
Insane. US dollars, right?
Yeah.
American. Oh, wow, every day you're making things happen here at Callisto. Wow, amazing, right? Claude, Daniel, 20x his account. Wow, so amazing stuff. And now Ahmad, 6x in one trade. That's even more amazing. Oh, the stories get more insane and insane. Yeah, and definitely is definitely possible, right? To better understand you, Aslam, right? Do you mind sharing with everyone over here, what your current job is or what do you do previously, before you got into trading?
Previously, I worked multiple jobs. I went into engineering firms after finishing my education, and then I'm currently working as a software engineer, software developer. Because of this job, there's a flexibility, so I can do trade anytime, anywhere. But when I'm working from home, I have the flexibility, so I'm available for both.
Okay. Is it accurate to say does work get in your way often?
At times, yes, I do get work get into the trades. So at those periods, I tend to keep myself, trying to maintain discipline. If there's a last minute trade, I make sure I have a stop loss. I make sure there's stop loss, or I don't trade.
Oh, that's very good. So it's either number one, just stay out of the market, or number two, you ensure that there's a stop loss right over there, so that whatever happens, that is the max amount of money you will lose.
Yes, definitely.
So how do you find out about trading actually? How did you get kickstarted your trading journey?
To be frank, I've always been interested in trading during my college days. I have interest in that, but I don't know where to get the right knowledge, or where do I start it. And that's the time. I saw a TikTok and I found you guys. I saw your live trades for a couple of days, and it was really good. And then that's when I joined you guys. That's when I started. Let's learn it, and let's keep it into practice. Just by learning it, you can't do any shit. You have to do the practice. You have to stay on charts, backtest, ensure the strategy works. And that's when, you can become a successful trader.
Do you remember which stream was it on TikTok? It was a TikTok live, right?
Yeah, TikTok live. I was looking to TikTok, and that's when you guys come to TikTok live. It's like the knowledge is there. Everyone can just come in, just grab it, and just apply it. It's not so difficult to apply it.
And how long ago was this?
Like 3 months ago. Yeah,
3 months
I joined
ago.
you guys.
Wow, amazing. Right, and you took the trade along from the live stream as well, right?
Yes, and that's when I saw your premium channel. Because some of the time my trades are late trades, multiple entries. Yeah.
20 pip. Oh, you took a 20 pip loss during CPI.
Yeah.
But you do it yourself, the buy stop sell stop, is it?
Yes, exactly.
What happened, bro? What happened?
Strategy actually. The buy stop sell stop. You guys already teach that. Why not try apply it and test out for yourself? I can't be dependent on you guys all the while, right? So there must be a moment for myself to go out of of my comfort zone, test out those strategies. It's already been taught. Why not apply it? Okay, that's when I tried to apply it. But yeah, it got missed out once.
Okay. So I understand right now, Aslam, that you are currently working in a job in the IT sector, right? As a software engineer.
Yeah,
software engineer. Comparing your current software engineer job with trading, which one do you think is easier? Which one do you think has a better ROI for you?
There's no investment trading. It's just okay, like you said, capital 1,000, yeah. But one trade 5 grand.
I mean, yeah, true, right? You can make 5 grand one trade. Why would you want to still be in a job? Okay, but Aslam, do you mind if I'm comfortable sharing, right? Around the ballpark, can you give me a range, like how much do you roughly make in your software job?
At about 7 to 10.
7 to 10 a month, right? Oh, then this means you make roughly around half or a little bit more than half of your monthly
Exactly.
salary in one single trade.
Exactly. I actually plan myself that if my trading plan works and I'm confident in all my trades, I know what I'm doing.
I mean, who doesn't want to be their own boss, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly,
Exactly.
exactly. Wow, that's amazing stuff, Aslam.
Even
Wow.
even in my IT field, I have the flexibility. But in trading, you have even more flexibility. You just need to be in the 1, 2 trades and you're done. I mean, every week definitely there's at least one trade that you can make use of it. I made half of my monthly salary in one trade.
This is something special. This is something extraordinary. Wow, just like Claude, right? I don't know. Have you watched Claude's video, Claude's interview?
No, no, actually, no.
No. Okay, just to share with you a little bit about her, right? You and her, wow, same, almost the same, right? So basically, what happened to her was she recently withdrew around 10 grand in a month, right? Was it in a month or in half a month? Yeah, over 2 trades, right? Similar like yours. Yeah, and effectively, she made like 3 months worth of pay in like 2 trades. Aslam, I'm sure everyone over here would want to learn how you do it. So we mind going through the success, right, about the trading that you currently have. Like, what was your trading journey like? Like, how do you like get started off trading, right? Do you mind like sharing with me the numbers? Like, okay, how much did I initially start off with? What did I do to necessarily get, to the point where I can make 5 grand in a trade?
Yeah. Okay. My trading journey started with $100. I made it to $1,000 in a week.
Wow.
But that's when the greed comes into play. So controlling emotions is a big challenge for me initially. So that was like, okay, I want to make it multiple times, like times 10, times 10. There was one moment I deposited 1,000. I made until 5,000, but I burst the 5,000 within like 3 hours because of my greed. And that's when I like, hey, the emotions are taking too much. Make sure whatever happens, I hit my TP. That's it. Yeah, doesn't mean more trades means more effective. Taking quality trades is the most important thing I would say. So after watching most of the videos, and then this is the recent trade that I took. I pumped in 1,000. I took the fit levels. I'm sure there's support. The levels are coming to my actual support. And why not? Okay, let me take the trade. Yes, I know I took a higher risk over here because I know that I was confident with my back testings. I have all my reasoning, and that's the confirmation I got. That's the time for me to buy. That's when I made 5 grand. I think it's over about 400 pips.
Wow.
That was
400
the
pips.
I bought it in 1940, and now the price was now at 2,000.
Yes.
Right when from now on, I'm just going to stick to my trading plan and just focus on it and venture.
Wow, that's amazing. So basically, to recap, you started off with $100, right? Of course, and you managed to flip it 10x into 1 grand, right? Was it by yourself?
No, actually, I mostly follow signals.
Oh, the signals.
Mostly
Oh,
follow.
so you flipped $100 to a grand by following my signals, but then because of the lack of proper risk management, you busted your account a few times
Yes,
until you found like okay, I need to stop this. I need to back test. I need to implement a stop loss. I need to practice safe risk measures, and from there you just stuck to your trading plan, and you are here today making like 5 grand a trade.
yes, exactly. And works. Controlling emotion is the biggest key thing over here. I would say it's the biggest lesson that I got into trading. Actually. Controlling emotions is the most important.
Okay, so to put that into perspective, is it correct to say that one of the biggest challenge you face in trading is basically emotions, or no?
Definitely is emotion. Definitely, it took some time for me to control my emotion. I know how to control my emotion right now compared to previously.
Would you mind elaborating more on the biggest challenge you face while trading?
Yeah. Okay. Let's say if I take a trade, or from you guys, I take a trade. Right? If it's going positive, I will just keeping it on hold. The moment it comes down, for example, if I'm up by $10, and then the price goes up again, $20. But the moment the price comes down to $15, I will just wait. I just keep on waiting until the price, okay, I still have to go back up. And then I always want to see the maximum profit. So that was the biggest problem that I had initially. But now I try to control it, make sure as long it reaches the level, no matter what the price goes up, never mind, it's okay, that I could take another trade. Of course, already give me the money. I mean, based on the risk to reward, I already made the money. So whatever is it, if I hit the TP level, that's it. I'm out of the trade. I'm not going to go rebuy again or increase more profit. No, I'm not doing that anymore. I hit the TP, okay, I'm out of the trade. That's it. I make it successful. That was the controlling emotion is the key.
I fully agree with you. Yeah, many new people when they first start off trading, I would say the main challenge they face is about controlling their psychology, controlling their emotions, lah. Right? Not too much about technicals and fundamentals because all of them, or not all of those skills, the technical and fundamental skills, can be easily learned and taught, right? But the psychological factor, the emotional factor, it can only be nurtured.
When I have a couple of my friends also do trades, they don't have the technical knowledge as fully. I mean, those knowledge that I have right now, I would say among my friends, I'm the so-called a better trader in terms of knowledge and controlling emotion. Some of them don't even know what support and resistance, so I have to sometimes teach them. Yeah, I've always told them at least just at least go watch them, look at the trades. You like them, join them.
Wow, very good, very good. Okay, so it was through you doing or sticking to your plan that allowed you to make 5 grand in a trade. So I would say, how long did it take you to reach this stage actually? How long did it take you to realize that, okay, you know what, I need to practice proper risk management?
I would say when I bursted my third time, that's the time I was like, no, you're putting your heart into the training. Yes, you make the money again, but then it tends to because of your emotion. That's really stupidest thing. So when the first time I did it the second time again. Third time I said to myself, okay, that's it. No, I'm going to come up with my own trading plan. So I came up with a plan, stick to this plan. Each trade, what's the TP level, what's the stop loss level, check it.
Okay. Well, I'm sure that came with a lot of practice, like a lot of monitoring of the charts in the market as well, right?
Exactly. A lot of backtesting I did. I did a lot of it, especially on weekends, and joining your streams on the weekends. If you want to become a successful trader, one thing I noticed is yes, there's a lot of strategies in the market. You can take every one of them, you test it out, but you need to identify yourself which strategy works for you. You come up with your own strategy. That's when you will become a successful trader. That's what I think. So I'm trying to test out on those.
Okay,
And
so you're trying to find out a new strat, based on your own flair. So you're taking like either my strat or Nick's strat or Thomas's strat and just try to find a secret recipe into the strat and just make it your own it, and that's where you understand the best and just make your money lah.
Exactly, correct. Sometimes for me, I find I get it wrong. I don't know why. So I tend to understand why am I failing at those movement.
So which strategy are you particularly using now? What kind of concepts actually?
I'm now very keen into fit levels.
Fit.
I'll always maintain key level. I look for key levels on daily. Fit is one of the best tool that I've been using all this while. Like this whole week. These are two levels that give me my 5 grand.
Wow, okay. Amazing. So it was the Fibonacci along with the daily support or resistance.
Yes, correct.
Oh, that's really nice. That's really good. Yeah, that's very, very similar to what I do. I combine the Fibonacci along with the order blocks. Yeah.
If I see an impulse movement, okay, definitely there should be a correction. So I use the fit levels, identify the correction level, where is it going to go next, and then from there, okay, if there's going to be next impulse, and also at the same time, market structure shift. These three things. Yeah. However, I faced some difficulties understanding market structure shift. I mean, I forget, was it Nick or Thomas, how he studied the market structure. So I'm always trying to understand that I have an issue. When is this market structure is really shifting?
Okay, can. I believe it will take some time because Nick's and Thomas's strategy is a little bit more advanced, right? SMC and ICT, you need to have a deeper understanding of the market. So, of course, it's not as easy as looking at key levels and Fibonacci's, right? So, you definitely need, you definitely take on some hours, take on some work into perfecting that craft lah. You're giving me the kind of vibe whereby you really are spending and putting a lot of effort in trading, right? So, on average, how how many hours do you spend like staring at the charts? How many hours do you spend trading in a week actually? So all of our audience here can like understand.
If my training plan works, I only require 4 hours. I mean, 2 hours in New York, 2 hours in London. These are 4 hours.
4 hours per day.
Since I was learning, I put in a lot of efforts. I do a lot of back testing during the day. Even after the session, Asian session is over. When the market is a bit slow, not compared to a huge volume, right? On the weekends, I tend to join your live streams. But prior to that itself, I do some afternoon. I just do some back testing itself, test those strategies, come up with a plan that what's it's required, and then take note of those trades, and I place those trades and see how it works in the live market in the following week. So initial time, I take about almost 6 hours a day, 6 to 8 hours a day, like purely studying a chart, understanding what's right, what's wrong, back testing every day. But now I think about 4 hours a day.
Amazing. So in the past, when you're still relatively new, on average, is it accurate to say you spend roughly around 45 hours, 50 hours a week?
Yeah,
Right.
roughly.
To do trading, and now you cut down a little bit and spend about, I would say, 30 hours, 20 plus 30 hours.
20, 30 hours.
But actually, why do you cut down though? Like, I mean, assuming, let's say, for example, Aslam, you spend about 4 hours a day trading. Why not put in a little bit more effort and let's say you put in extra, like you go back to your original capacity, which is about 1.5 times more.
Family have to spend time a bit also.
Understand. Priorities, yes. Yes, family is very important, yeah. But I mean, if you could, right, because the thing is this, like back then, one issue I had was, like, okay, I started becoming profitable. Then I looked, okay, if I spend like, let's say 2-3 hours in the market, right, and I made X amount of money, if I maybe increase my time spent in the market by maybe additional 20-30%, 50%, then the money I earn, the potential of me earning money, right, in a week also increases by roughly around the same amount, like 20, 30, 50%. So yeah, so this is especially true when you first started getting off trading as well, because the highest, I won't say the highest ROI, but rather because you're still relatively new, right? The best way to scale forward is to effectively just keep whacking, so that you can make your process as efficient as possible. From there, from there you slowly like get to perfect your craft. Because I understand in trading, some people are not really efficient in a way whereby they're spending too much time focusing on the wrong things.
I've been through that phase.
Yeah, but after all, wow, I mean, Aslam, you're extremely hardworking, very well done. Wow, every single day, 6 to 8 hours trading. Oh, that's close to what I did in the past. When I first started trading, I don't know if you heard about my life story, but I spent close to 10-12 hours every single day trading. Yeah, I mean, except for the weekends, I cut down a little bit because the market weren't open, but still, I still did my research. I still went on to, I would say, scour the market to see, okay, what are the new things I need to learn, in trading and so on and so forth.
Sometimes it will be 4 hours, sometimes it will be 6 hours. I tend to push a bit, but I need to see, family comes first, right? No matter what happens.
Yes, correct. Yeah, definitely. Wow, I believe, do you have children?
Yes, yeah, I do.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. Two? One?
One for now.
One. Oh, wow, lovely. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's not easy being a dad, right? I mean, I don't know. I have no experience. Has that affected, I would say, your trading journey to a large extent? Because I believe there will definitely be an impact. But is that more of a, I would say,
One small regret I have is that why didn't I start? I mean, this amount of hours that I'm putting right now, I'm also sacrificing something.
yes.
But when I had the time, I didn't use those time to invest in learning. More of chilling, relax. But that's the most regret. Should have started earlier. As for you guys, you already started earlier. I mean, nevertheless, afterwards it's going to be easier.
So one thing you have, or one regret you have, is you didn't study earlier. But I mean, after all, better late than never.
Yeah.
Yeah, better late than never. So that's amazing stuff. Okay, so I understand that you have definitely faced like some speed bumps, some bumps in the past. So throughout all those times, right, have you ever felt like quitting trading or giving up in general when you first started trading?
Never. I mean, if I had the moment to quit out, after my first loss, second loss, I wouldn't pump in back again. But you lose it is because of your greed, your emotions. If you know how to control it, I've never ever quit trading.
Wow. So you're just full confidence, right? You knew like it was for you.
Now, yes, actually, I want to say
Actually, curious about what actually led you to choose forex over like stocks and like equities and shares? Is there any key factor?
the market actually. The market for forex is huge as compared to stocks and shares. When those equities trades usually like Monday to Friday, but then I think there are some specific times. At the same time, you don't have huge volume. I think the volume for forex is about 7 billion. That's where the highest number of market is at, and that's where you can see the potential. So that's when I was into that.
So basically, it was the in a way higher volatility, higher trading volume, and of course the easy accessibility to trade forex as compared to like stocks
Yeah,
and shares lah.
you can just do anywhere, anytime, any place for forex. Forex is the best.
I mean, I totally agree with you. The one reason why I chose forex was I would say if you trade stocks or like shares or equities, you need to do a lot of intensive research, especially with regards to the company, and sometimes companies keep a lot of secrets. It's not readily accessible online, as compared to like forex, right? It's currency to currency. Everything is, or the most of it is transparent. You just need to look for it and know where to look for it. Yeah, and
Exactly. Correct.
yeah, exactly. And also, forex market is also open 24/5. So,
That's
yeah,
the
that's one reason why I chose forex as well, lah. Similar to yours. So yes, okay. So well, I understand that you are very, very motivated. So at any point of time, do you feel that trading has a lot of luck involved?
I don't think so. Luck is there. I don't think so. When I first started out, man, it could be. So this is where the luck comes into play. I mean, after a few months in this trade, I don't think so. A good sign. You need to have a proper knowledge. Proper knowledge is more important than luck.
Luck, you have to exclude it, right? It's purely skill, purely, you grinding the market, analyzing the market, and just finding entries. Yeah, I totally agree with that. Very good, very good. So, Aslam, right? So I know that you made 5K in one trade, right? And you managed to flip accounts, many accounts before, even though after busting them, right? So, is there any difference or is there any change to your goals? Like, what were your goals in the beginning, and how did that change after, busting accounts and after flipping accounts?
My goal has never changed. Making my trade account to let's say $100,000 was my main goal right now. But I must have a weekly withdrawals at the same time of at least bare minimum 500. But yeah, I know this trade was very effective. That's why like will start off all my trading plan. But no doubt, I'm still going to stick to it. I'm just going to withdraw back for this week. Whereas the rest, I'll just keep it there until I see 100 grand on in my main account.
Your goal was consistently like that, even from the start. Right, when you started with $100, it's like, okay, you know what, I want to withdraw this amount of money in a week. Right, just keep grinding, grinding, grinding.
That's it.
Alright, wow, okay. Okay, that's pretty great. Okay, so what happens after you hit 100K? Is that the next step? 1 mil.
So let's go slowly. Maybe half a mil, and then maybe 750, and then 1 mil. That will be my long-term target goals.
Long-term target, okay. Where are you at currently right now? On your way to 100K?
I'm now up by 6 grand right now. So that's still a quite long way, I would say.
I mean, it's 6% of the way additional to the 100K goal. So I mean, it's not small either. Like I mean, the S&P grows like what 7% on average a year. So and you did it in like one trade. So it's fine. Yeah, you definitely hit that. Yeah. So basically, we might elaborating a little bit more specifically on what were the exact actions you are undertaking now to achieve the 100K goal.
My exact actions is just following my trading plan. Stay away from greed. No emotions. Just stick to the plan. Ensure where's your take profit for each individual trade, and eventually you will hit a certain amount of pips in a week.
Okay, okay. So basically, just stick to your plan. Don't deviate away from the plan. Follow proper risk management, and of course, compound your account after making some withdrawals as well, lah.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, okay, that's pretty decent. I mean, after all, it has been working out for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, yes, of course. Right. So, has your life changed in any way now that you made you're able to make, you've proven to yourself that you're able and capable to make 5 grand in a trade? Has your life changed in any way?
Actually, yes. I mean, trading has given me the stability, like to get more things than what I have right now. But the most important thing that this trading has given, that I still work from home as a software engineer and those flexibilities. But At times, I'll be sitting down on the computer like long hours because of one small comma that's missing in code of 1,000 lines. That's the most irritating part. But this has given me a lot of family.
So trading has essentially freed up most of your time for family.
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
amazing. Yeah, I understand the in a way a little bit of the coding analogy right over there, whereby you can code as well, but if there's one small error, you have to scour through thousands and thousands of codes just to find that one error, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Yeah. For me, okay, I don't know. I can't really relate too much to you because I personally like don't have. I would say don't have a family, right? But rather, I don't have kids, right? I don't have a wife. It just brought me more. I don't know if freedom is the correct word, but I would say higher spending power and the ability to just make money everywhere. I think that's what makes me feel like okay, I'm at.
If I were to make one meal, I'm planning to that's my end goal. I like to go to the orphanages on the weekends at times with my wife. We go there for our donations and help them what they
Yes,
require.
definitely. But I mean, the ability
By
to go
trading,
is yeah.
give what you said, spending power that you are required over there. So yeah, that's a additional help that I could see by trading.
Yes, I believe the convenience of this definitely, I would say, is the journey isn't easy, right? It's definitely not easy, but with the correct attitude, with the correct mentality, right, and the correct, I would say, constant, in a way, motivation and hard work, you definitely get there, lah. Yes, right, okay. Right, so Aslam, I hope you can share with the audience your true understanding and feelings with regards to this matter, right? So I'm going to end off this interview with three very important questions, right? three questions. But yes, let's just say there is a complete beginner watching you right now. What would you say to them?
Watching me right now, I'd say getting the knowledge from a good resource is important. Knowledge of trading is the first thing you need to know. Once you get the knowledge, you need to apply it. So backtesting is the place for you to do test out your knowledge. Backtest as much as possible. Every day, I would say is the best thing to do. Once you're confident in your trades, okay, if you are well to do, you can just straight away open your own real account. But then suggest maybe just open up some demo account like for the 1 week, just try the 1 week. If all your strategy works in that trades, then why not open your own account and then just work towards it. That's the biggest advice I would give. And yeah, main advice is control your emotions.
Very, very important, right? Control your
Because
emotions.
because when working on demo account, psychologically your mindset is I'm working on demo account. It's not my money. So you don't give a damn. That shouldn't be the case. So controlling emotions is the biggest psychological thing that you need to learn.
Okay. Okay, yes, I fully agree with you. As I said earlier, right? Initially, psychological control is one of the toughest things to overcome, lah, and everyone must master it lah, in order to become profitable. Okay, so Aslam, right? So what do you want to say to the people sitting on the sidelines, not sure whether to join us, right? And what are perks that can help them in their trading journey?
Join Callisto, bro. I mean, there's no reason for you not to join Callisto. Yeah, I mean, the knowledge is there for everything is there for free. They're showing you their trades. They're being transparent. I mean, transparency is. I had difficulties finding my own journal, but using a constant lagging of William,
Yes.
when journaling, it really helps you to become a better trader. So join them. They're already in. Or I mean, they're always. Even if you are not testing them, they will text you. Make sure you are on the right path, ensuring that you are all right. So there's no reason for you not to join Callisto. They have the best knowledge. They are being transparent. Everything also is on live stream. Everything is every single trades are shown live, best level compared to anyone that I've seen. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, one last question, Aslam. What specific thing in Premium is the most important in getting the success? What do you think it is?
Knowledge. The resources of the that you guys post. It's really a big thing. I mean, outside people want to do trading course 500,000, 2,000, 3,000. It's a bit ridiculous. Whereas they're giving it for free. As a premium, given I think there's additional resources as compared to the free channel. Everything is there. You can contact the discussion group, but was for VIP group. Everything is there. Everyone is like a brother. It's just another family. So if you're stuck, if your trade is good, if you do your analysis and send it out, someone in the group will comments. Even the admin itself will test it out. If it's good, okay, everyone will take it. So everyone is there like a family also. So yeah, it's the best thing you can ever do.
Yes, I agree with you. I love my premium, I love my VIP, I love all the members in the channel, right? The premium channel especially, because we're all like a family, we're all like a community. Like every single live stream, right? It is always very, very fun. In fact, every single day I always look forward to live streams. So I can talk to all of you live. You see some of you, face to face, hear some of your voices, have fun. Okay, because the thing about trading is, as I said multiple times, right? You trade alone, it can be very mundane, it can be very technical, like saying at charts. Yeah, like it's so mundane, so boring. So why not add in a little bit of fun? No, like essentially it's what you said, right? Our community is like a family. Like it's way more fun to do with others, it's way more fun to do with your family, it's way more fun to do with friends. Okay, way more fun to do with like-minded individuals, make money together, especially, right? I mean,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
the most joy comes out when making money together, right? So yeah, fully I agree with you, right? I love talking to all of you, lah. That is one of the best things that ever happened to me, lah. Yeah.
When
Oh,
you're trading alone is so damn boring. It's so damn boring. So like what you guys doing when in the live stream, sometimes you are just talking to the free people, but then within ourselves, our family itself, we will be just testing, we will just talking nonsense around each other.
yeah. In the free channel, we're like, oh, this is it. Then suddenly when we close off, like, oh, everyone becomes like, oh,
Yeah, that's
I
the
always
best
look
thing.
forward.
That's the best thing.
Yeah, it's the best. I love the family aspect. I'm so proud. I mean, the thing is this, like, all this is not possible without all of you, 100%. You are the ones that make this possible.
In order for us to make this possible, it's because of those things that you guys do.
But yeah, it was great talking to you, Aslam. I gotta set up my live stream
Okay.
already. Sorry to cut this a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll see you on the live streams.
Sure, bro.
Yeah,
Definitely.
lovely. Especially for the Zoom, bro. Can't wait for the Zoom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aslam. Right.
Thank you.